as contracts renew in this environment, contracts that were negotiated during the shortage, uh, as they renew, or new agreements are being negotiated. There's pressure on price. I mean, it's just simple supply demand, just like the textbook says. If there's more supply than demand, prices tend to come down. Having said that, the there are things in the business that are pushing in the other direction. There are some very significant cost pressures on the in the business that are pushing in the other direction. I have referred to this as cross currents in some of the articles I've written and things like that. But there was a very significant price increase from Exxon this past January 1st, that put pressure on folks to try to pass it through to their customers. And as it currently stands, there's an expectation of another significant price increase from Exxon next January 1st. Now, these price increases are resulting from uh, agreements that were uh, put together during Helium Shortage 4.0, and the impact on the market is lagged by a couple of years. Uh, but it is going to be interesting to see how it plays out, because you are going to have significant cost pressure uh, on some of the major suppliers in an environment where there's plentiful supply, and there's we'll see who's how the battle plays out. So like I said, it'll be interesting. Now, there was a question about premium, and I think that may have been referring to whether, is there a premium for helium from, let's say, safer sources, or, non-sanctioned countries, things like that. Um, I definitely think there is going to be somewhat of a premium for supply from U.S. sources, or North American sources, and there would probably be a premium for helium from Qatar over Russian helium. And there's always been a premium, or at least I shouldn't say always, but in recent memory, there's been a premium for Polish supply. Poland is a relatively small source, but it's in a great location, very convenient for Europe. Doesn't require any ocean transportation, and that earns a premium. So, yeah, sources that are viewed as being more secure, uh, or in a more convenient location, should command a bit of a premium. Yeah.